Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda. If you've seen in my previous video, I did the whipped coffee and it was delicious. I made two different ones. I did the steamed milk and the iced. Personally, I liked the ice so much better, but I'm a huge fan of iced coffee. And I decided I'm going to shake it up a bit, literally, with some Kahlua. So we're going to see how that goes. I already have, since I literally just recorded the other one, but since I still have some of this whip, I'm going to use what I have already. If you want to see how you make the whip, I'll tag the link below with the video. So I'm going to get my shaker and I'm going to fill it with ice. Now that I got my shaker with ice, I'm going to add the milk, add the Kahlua, pour that in there, and then I'm going to take the whip and I'm going to add it into the shaker. I added it into the shaker, and then I'm going to take the shaker and shake it. Now that it's shaken, I get a cup, and then I pour it in. Oh my god! Oh my gosh, this is a dessert. Oh my god, it's so good. Next, I'm gonna blend this in ice and make a frap. It's so good. Oh my god. I could drink this every day. The whip is equal parts coffee, water, and sugar. So maybe just cut the sugar in half if you're gonna add Kahlua, since Kahlua is already really sweet. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed it. I mixed it with Kahlua and I did a hazelnut. For the whip, I did a hazelnut instant coffee. If you want to see the video of how I made the whipped coffee, I'll put the links in. But yeah, let me know if you've tried it and if you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, if you're on Instagram, follow me, AmandaLynn121. Thanks, bye guys!